Hey guys, I'm Megan,
And I'm Samantha.
and we are Meg and Sam.
Today we decided to make a back to school video. It's a back to school lookbook.
In a couple weeks, school's gonna start for us, and we thought we'd make this video to help you guys because personally, I have a lot of troubles finding what I'm gonna wear for the first week of school, and we thought maybe this would help.
Hope you guys like this video and let's get started.
That's the video, and hopefully it helped. If it did, please give it a big thumbs up.
If you like this video and you'd like to see more, please click the subscribe button below.
We will try to post new videos every week, and yeah, hopefully see you guys soon.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.